Accuretic is used to treat high blood pressure, which can help prevent strokes, heart attacks, and kidney problems. It contains two medications, Quinapril and Hydrochlorothiazide. Quinapril is an ACE inhibitor that relaxes blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more easily. Hydrochlorothiazide is a diuretic, or water pill, that helps your body get rid of extra salt and water by causing you to make more urine. The usual recommended dosage of Accuretic is once a day, and it is best taken at the same time each day. It can be taken with or without food, but it's important to take it consistently for the best results. Before starting Accuretic, make sure to read the information leaflet provided by your pharmacist. Take this medication by mouth, usually once daily in the morning. It's best to take it at least 4 hours before bedtime to avoid waking up to urinate. The dosage will be determined by your medical condition and response to treatment. Remember to take Accuretic regularly at the same time each day to get the most benefit from it, even if you feel well. It may take several weeks before you notice the full benefit of this medication. Also, be aware that this product contains magnesium, which may interfere with the absorption of some medications. If you are taking bile acid-binding resins for cholesterol, make sure to take Accuretic at least 4 hours before or after these medications. If you have any concerns about your condition not improving or getting worse, be sure to contact your doctor. As your body gets used to Accuretic, you may experience tiredness, headache, dizziness, or lightheadedness. You may also develop a dry cough. If any of these effects persist or worsen, inform your doctor or pharmacist right away. To minimize the risk of dizziness and lightheadedness, be sure to rise slowly when getting up from a seated or lying position. It's important to remember that your doctor has prescribed this medication because they believe the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. Many people taking this medication do not experience serious side effects. Accuretic may lead to dehydration and electrolyte imbalance. Notify your doctor immediately if you experience symptoms such as extreme thirst, very dry mouth, muscle cramps or weakness, fast/slow/irregular heartbeat, confusion, or decreased urination. Contact your doctor right away if you experience any serious side effects, including changes in the amount of urine, muscle weakness, slow/irregular heartbeat, fainting, decreased vision, eye pain, nausea/vomiting that won't stop, loss of appetite, stomach/abdominal pain, or yellowing of the eyes/skin. While rare, a serious allergic reaction to this medication is possible. Seek medical help immediately if you notice symptoms such as rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you experience any other effects, contact your doctor or pharmacist. In the US or Canada, call your doctor for medical advice about side effects. If you are pregnant or planning to become pregnant, it's important to know that taking Accuretic can cause serious harm to an unborn baby. Make sure to talk to your doctor about using reliable forms of birth control while taking this medication. And if you think you may be pregnant, it's crucial to let your doctor know immediately. Accuretic can be harmful to an unborn baby, so take the necessary precautions to prevent pregnancy while taking this medication. Before taking Accuretic, it's important to let your doctor or pharmacist know if you have any allergies to Quinapril, hydrochlorothiazide, ACE inhibitors, or thiazides. This medication may also contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions, so it's essential to discuss this with your pharmacist. It's crucial to inform your doctor or pharmacist about your medical history, especially if you have a history of allergic reactions, blood filtering procedures, gout, kidney problems, liver disease, dehydration, mineral imbalances, lupus, or skin cancer. Accuretic may cause dizziness, and the use of alcohol or marijuana can enhance this effect. It's important to avoid driving or using machinery until you can do so safely, and to limit alcoholic beverages. If you are using marijuana, consult with your doctor. Before undergoing any surgery, it's important to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you use, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. Severe sweating, diarrhea, or vomiting can increase the risk for dehydration. It's important to report prolonged diarrhea or vomiting to your doctor and to drink plenty of fluids unless directed otherwise. This medication may make you more sensitive to the sun and increase the risk for skin cancer, especially with long-term use. It's important to limit time in the sun, avoid tanning booths and sunlamps, and use sunscreen and protective clothing when outdoors. Any signs of sunburn, skin blisters/redness, or new/changed moles or skin lesions should be reported to your doctor. Accuretic may affect your potassium levels, so it's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist before using potassium supplements or salt substitutes containing potassium. For those with diabetes, this medication may affect blood sugar levels, so regular monitoring and communication with your doctor are essential. Symptoms of high blood sugar should be reported immediately. Older adults may be more sensitive to the side effects of this medication, especially changes in urine output and dizziness. It's important to discuss with your doctor if you are pregnant or planning to become pregnant, as this medication may harm an unborn baby. Additionally, Accuretic passes into breast milk, so it's important to consult your doctor before breastfeeding. Drug interactions can change how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Some products that may interact with Accuretic include aliskiren, dofetilide, lithium, gold injections, sacubitril, certain drugs that weaken the immune system, and drugs that may increase the level of potassium in the blood. This product also contains magnesium, which can interfere with your body's ability to absorb certain drugs. It's important to ask your doctor or pharmacist how long to wait between doses and when you should take your medications. Some products may have ingredients that could raise your blood pressure. Make sure to tell your pharmacist what products you are using and ask how to use them safely. Additionally, if you are getting injections for bee/wasp sting allergy and are also taking Accuretic, make sure all your doctors know which medicines you are using. Accuretic may also interfere with certain lab tests, so it's important to make sure lab personnel and all your doctors know you use this product. If you or someone you know has taken too much Accuretic and is experiencing severe symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical attention. In the U.S., you can call 911 or your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. Canadian residents can call their provincial poison control center. Symptoms of an Accuretic overdose may include severe dizziness, weakness, and fainting. It's crucial to act quickly in the case of an overdose. Remember not to share your Accuretic medication with anyone else. Making lifestyle changes such as exercising, quitting smoking, and following a low cholesterol/low-fat diet can help this medication work better. It's important to consult your doctor for more information. While taking Accuretic, you may need to undergo lab and/or medical tests to monitor your sodium and potassium levels, kidney function, and skin exams. It's crucial to attend all your medical and lab appointments and consult your doctor for more details. Regularly check your blood pressure and heart rate while taking this medication. You can learn how to monitor your own blood pressure and pulse at home, and it's important to share the results with your doctor. If you forget to take a dose of Accuretic, take it as soon as you remember. However, if it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed dose and take the next one at your regular time. Do not take double the dose to make up for the missed one. Keep Accuretic at room temperature away from light and moisture. It's important not to store it in the bathroom, and to keep it out of reach of children and pets. Do not flush Accuretic down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed. When it's expired or no longer needed, make sure to properly discard it by consulting your pharmacist or local waste disposal company. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.